Welcome back to the channel, travel enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the vibrant heart of Crete, Heraklion. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for some sun-soaked adventures, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore the 8 best things to do in Heraklion, from ancient ruins to stunning beaches and mouth-watering local cuisine. So grab your bags and let's uncover the hidden gems of this beautiful city together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you. Number 8. The Palace of Knossos, Crete's largest and best-preserved Minoan site, is located just 5 kilometers southeast of Heraklion, making it one of the island's most significant tourist destinations. Knossos, a vast palace with 4 wings arranged around a spacious central courtyard, is thought to be the mythical labyrinth of King Minos. The palace is notably advanced, featuring ceremonial areas, living quarters, storage rooms, intricate decorations, and a sophisticated drainage system. Excavations reveal that a palace existed here as early as 2000 BC, but most of what you see today dates from around 1450 BC. Be aware when visiting that some early 20th century reconstructions were somewhat imaginative. The frescoes on display are replicas. The originals can be seen at the Heraklion Archaeological Museum. During the summer, buses from the Old Town to Knossos run every 15 minutes, making it very accessible. If you're driving, parking is free. Number 7. Koules Fortress. Standing prominently on the Heraklion waterfront, the Koules Fortress is an impressive Venetian structure built in the early 16th century. You can reach the main entrance by taking a scenic walk along the breakwater from the shoreline, where the entrance is on the right side. While the fortress is striking from a distance, its recently renovated interior is just as impressive. Grand wooden doors lead into rooms displaying period artifacts, with plaques providing historical context. The fortress's thick walls, up to 8.7 meters wide, create a quiet, cool environment, perfect for exploring its 26 rooms and vaults. Inside, you'll find historical items, such as old cannons, amphorae, and stone carvings. By climbing the stairs to the roof, you can enjoy stunning views of the sea, the harbor, and the town. However, if it's windy, be mindful of sea spray from the waves crashing against the rocks. Number 6. Hagos Tios Church. As you stroll through the pedestrian zone of Heraklion, you're likely to encounter this historic church, easily recognizable by the 2 towering palm trees in front. The original Hagos Tios Church was constructed here in the late 10th century. However, due to earthquakes and other disasters over the years, the original structure fell into ruins. The sturdy building you see today dates back to the mid-19th century and was once a mosque. If the church is open, step inside and take note of the chandeliers overhead. The square in front of the church is green and leafy, with several small cafes offering patio seating. Number 5. Heraklion Archaeological Museum. This museum showcases stunning 3,500-year-old frescoes from Knossos, including the Prince of the Lilies and Bull Leaping. Make sure to see the Snake Goddess, a glazed ceramic figurine from 1600 BC depicting a woman holding 2 snakes, as well as the Phaistos disc, a clay disc adorned with a mysterious spiral of symbols from around 100 BC. The museum's vast collection is spread across 27 galleries, covering over 5,500 years of history. In the courtyard, you'll find the preserved remains of the Venetian monastery of St. Francis, which was destroyed in an earthquake in 1856. This world-class museum is Heraklion's main tourist attraction, second only to the Knossos site itself, and is located in the eastern part of the Old Town. Number 4. Logia, Town Hall. In the heart of the Old Town stands the Logia, now serving as Heraklion's Town Hall. Often regarded as Crete's best-preserved Venetian building, This impressive structure is free to enter and worth a brief visit. The large shaded arcade beneath its arches offers a welcome respite from the intense summer sun. Constructed by Morosini in 1628, the Loggia is a smaller-scale reproduction of the famous Basilica in Vicenza. Close by, you'll find a charming area of narrow streets filled with restaurants featuring patios and intriguing shops. Number 3. Walking along the waterfront. If you've just arrived after a long flight or ferry ride and need to stretch your legs, a walk along Heraklion's waterfront is an excellent option. Here, you'll discover some of the city's best seafood restaurants, an ancient fortress, museums, and stunning views. There are two main sections for walking: the primary waterfront stroll, which runs along the sea from east to west, and the breakwater walk, which extends beyond the historic fort. The waterfront stroll begins at the breakwater and stretches east to the traffic roundabout, passing by the ancient Venetian arches, and west to the Natural History Museum. This is the ideal route if you're interested in grabbing a bite to eat or learning more about the island. For the breakwater walk, head towards the ancient Koules fortress and continue past it. This 4.6-kilometer round-trip walk takes you out into the sea, offering fantastic views of the city and distant mountains. About halfway, you'll find some interesting tile work decorating the breakwater. Number 2, El Greco Museum. In the 16th century, Heraklion was a center for a prominent school of religious icon painters. One of its members, Domenikos Theotokopoulos, later became a world-renowned artist known as El Greco. He was born in the small village of Fodele, surrounded by orange groves, 28 kilometers west of Heraklion. Today, the stone cottage where he was born has been turned into a museum. Theotokopoulos moved to Spain in 1577, where he lived and worked until his death. His paintings are famous for their vivid color and dramatic intensity, and you can view several reproductions of his works at the museum. Number 1, Morosini Fountain in Lion Square. The Morosini Fountain is located in the heart of Heraklion's Old Town, close to the Loggia, making it a perfect landmark to help you navigate the maze of nearby streets. Built in 1628, the fountain, surrounded by mature trees and bustling cafes, serves as the lively center of the old city. On warm days, the area is filled with locals and tourists enjoying the cafes and ice cream shops. In the evenings, the square around the fountain buzzes with people enjoying the nightlife. Historically, the Morosini Fountain was crucial for providing drinking water to Heraklion's residents. It was connected to a 14-kilometer aqueduct that brought water from Medjugorje. After years of neglect, the fountain has been restored to its original state. It now features 4 lions, with water flowing from their mouths into a pool below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.